Chief, I'm
Welcome to another edition of I'm Today's message came in. Chief, I have the trifecta of I'm my property is and my investor is You're screwed, pal. I had homeless people break into my house we just completed. That sucks. We can't get them out thanks to the liberal laws of California. I can relate to that. Because they are claiming they are tenants. How do I get them the out of there? Well, here's a simple solution. You are kind of hosed. So what happens is a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll claim that they are tenants, that they're vagrants that break into a house, and what they'll do is they'll throw some mattresses on the floor, they'll get a little table. So when you call the sheriff, the cops to throw them out, hey, there's a vagrant at my house, they come to the door and go, no, I've rented the place. And they'll even have like a bogus lease agreement draft up. Here's my lease agreement, because you, the owner, are public record, so they can pull that information and find that out. They scribble names on it. They could even put utilities in their name. They put in the gas and electric and the water bill and the trash bill in their name. Well, they probably aren't doing the trash bill because they're just going to take one of the bedrooms and throw all the shit in there. But bottom line is they are essentially fraudulent but legitimate tenants. So the best thing you can do really is to call an attorney and get them evicted. That's the best thing you can do. Now, with that being said, there's probably a couple other things you can do. Because right now, when I'm filming this, we have this thing called COVID, which means the tenants have more rights than you do as a landlord. So you really are kind of f***ed at the moment. So one of the best things you can do is probably go out there and do cash for keys. Go out there. At the end of the day, they're looking for a free place to flop out, do drugs, hang out, do whatever they're doing. So maybe it's going to cost you a few $100 to walk in there and say, look, I'll give you $100 or $200 if you get out of here within the next 24 hours and get them out of there. There are some other strategies you can use, but at the end of the day, that's probably the best one, cash for keys. Convince them it's in their best interest to leave now. Stroke the check, realize you've been extorted. It is what it is, but that's an expedient and an easy way to solve for this problem. Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us, and I'll try to answer your question for you.